prepare for the alarm portion of the New Jersey Contractor's license, several resources are available. Firstly, the New Jersey Administrative Code, specifically N.J. 8C 13.54-1.18 sec. provides regulations for the installation of burglar and fire alarm systems. Secondly, the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, offers relevant standards. These include NFPA 72, which is the National Fire Alarm and Signaling Code, and NFPA 73, which is the standard for the installation and maintenance of premises fire alarm systems utilizing the Central Station Service. Further resources can be found through the New Jersey Division of Consumer Affairs, or DCA, which provides alarm contractor licensing information. The National Institute for Certification in Engineering Technologies, or NIST, offers an alarm system certification program. The Electronic Security Association, or ESA, provides information on codes and standards for alarm systems. The International Association of Certified Home Inspectors, or INTERNACHI, offers resources on alarm systems. Finally, the Security Industry Alarm Coalition, or SIAC, also offers information on alarm codes and standards. NFPA 72 is a comprehensive standard that covers the application, installation, location, performance, inspection, testing, and maintenance of fire alarm systems, fire warning equipment, and emergency warning equipment. It aims to reduce the impact of fire and other emergencies by providing requirements for the design, installation, and operation of these systems. The standard addresses various aspects, including system components, wiring, power supplies, and communication methods. It also includes specific requirements for different types of occupancies and applications, such as residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. NFPA 72 is regularly updated to reflect the latest technologies and best practices in the fire alarm industry. NFPA 73 addresses the installation and maintenance of fire alarm systems that utilize Central Station Service. This standard focuses on systems where alarm signals are transmitted to a central station, which then takes appropriate action, such as notifying the fire department. NFPA 73 covers the requirements for the central station itself, as well as the installation and maintenance of the fire alarm system on the protected premises. The standard includes provisions for system testing, inspection, and record keeping to ensure the reliability and effectiveness of the fire alarm system. The New Jersey Administrative Code provides the specific legal and regulatory requirements for alarm system installation in New Jersey. This code covers aspects such as licensing requirements for alarm contractors, permit requirements for alarm system installations, and technical requirements for alarm system design and installation. The code also addresses issues such as false alarms and the responsibilities of alarm system owners and operators. Understanding and complying with the New Jersey Administrative Code is essential for anyone involved in the alarm system industry in New Jersey. NIST's Alarm Systems Certification Program provides a way for individuals to demonstrate their knowledge and competency in the field of alarm systems. The program offers certification at various levels based on experience and education. Certification typically involves passing an exam and meeting certain work experience requirements. NIST certification can enhance an individual's credibility and career prospects in the alarm systems industry. ESA offers various resources related to codes and standards for alarm systems. These resources include training programs, publications, and online tools. ESA also actively participates in the development of codes and standards for the alarm industry. By utilizing ESA resources, individuals can stay up to date on the latest requirements and best practices for alarm systems. INTERNACHI provides information on alarm systems for home inspectors. This information includes guidance on how to inspect alarm systems and identify potential problems. INTERNACHI also offers training courses on alarm systems for home inspectors. The focus is to ensure the alarm systems are safe and functioning properly. SIAC works to promote best practices and reduce false alarms in the alarm industry. SIAC provides resources on alarm codes and standards, as well as guidance on how to reduce false alarms. By implementing SAIC's recommendations, alarm companies and users can help to improve the reliability and effectiveness of alarm systems. When studying for the alarm portion of the New Jersey Contractor's license, it's beneficial to review example questions and practice tests. These resources can help to familiarize you with the types of questions that may be asked on the exam and to assess your level of knowledge. In addition to studying the codes and standards, it is also important to have a practical understanding of alarm system installation and troubleshooting. Hands-on experience can be invaluable in preparing for the exam. Consider seeking out opportunities to work with experienced alarm technicians or to participate in training programs that provide practical experience. Another important aspect of preparing for the alarm portion of the New Jersey Contractor's license is to understand the different types of alarm systems. These include burglar alarm systems, fire alarm systems, and combination systems. Each type of system has its own specific requirements and considerations. Be sure to study the requirements for each type of system. It is also helpful to understand the different components of an alarm system. These include control panels, detectors, sirens, and communication devices. Familiarize yourself with the function of each component and how it interacts with the other components in the system. In addition to understanding the technical aspects of alarm systems, it is also important to understand the legal and regulatory requirements. This includes understanding the New Jersey Administrative Code and any local ordinances that may apply. Be sure to study these requirements carefully. When taking the exam, be sure to read each question carefully and to answer it to the best of your ability. If you are unsure of the answer to a question, it is better to make an educated guess than to leave the question blank. The New Jersey Division of Consumer Affairs is responsible for licensing alarm contractors in New Jersey. To become a licensed alarm contractor, you must meet certain requirements, including passing an exam and having a certain amount of experience. The DCA also investigates complaints against alarm contractors. If you have a complaint against an alarm contractor, you can file a complaint with the DCA. NIST certification can be a valuable asset for alarm technicians and engineers. NIST offers certification at various levels based on experience and education. NIST certification can demonstrate your competence in the field of alarm systems and can enhance your career prospects. ESA offers a variety of training programs for alarm technicians and salespersons. These training programs can help you to stay up to date on the latest technologies and best practices in the alarm industry. ESA also offers certification programs for alarm technicians and salespersons. Internachi provides resources for home inspectors on how to inspect alarm systems. This includes information on the different types of alarm systems and the common problems that can occur with these systems. Internachi also offers training courses on alarm systems for home inspectors. SAIC works to reduce false alarms in the alarm industry. False alarms can be a nuisance for homeowners and businesses, and they can also tie up valuable resources for emergency responders. SAIC provides resources on how to prevent false alarms. It is crucial to understand the requirements for alarm system design and installation as per the applicable codes and standards. These requirements are designed to ensure that alarm systems are reliable and effective in detecting and responding to emergencies. Proper design and installation can also help to prevent false alarms. Regular testing and maintenance are essential for ensuring that alarm systems are functioning properly. Testing should be conducted in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations and the applicable codes and standards. Maintenance should include inspecting the system for any signs of damage or wear and tear. It's also critical to have a strong understanding of electrical principles as they relate to alarm systems. Alarm systems typically operate on low voltage power, and technicians must be able to safely and effectively work with electrical circuits. Knowledge of electrical wiring, grounding, and overcurrent protection is essential. Stay informed about the latest technologies and trends in the alarm industry. The alarm industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations being introduced regularly. By staying informed about these developments, you can ensure that you are providing your customers with the best possible service. Consider attending industry conferences and trade shows to learn about the latest products and services. Be familiar with the different types of sensors used in alarm systems. These include door and window sensors, motion detectors, glass break detectors, and smoke detectors. Each type of sensor has its own specific characteristics and applications. You should be able to select the appropriate sensor for each application and to install it correctly. Understand the different communication methods used in alarm systems. Alarm systems can communicate with central stations or monitoring centers via phone lines, cellular networks, or internet connections. Each communication method has its own advantages and disadvantages. You should be able to select the appropriate communication method for each application. Be familiar with the different types of control panels used in alarm systems. Control panels are the brains of the alarm system. They process signals from the sensors and initiate the appropriate response, such as sounding an alarm or notifying the central station. You should be able to program and troubleshoot different types of control panels. Be prepared to troubleshoot common problems with alarm systems. Alarm systems can experience a variety of problems such as false alarms, sensor failures, and communication issues. You should be able to diagnose these problems and to repair them quickly and efficiently. It is also beneficial to develop strong customer service skills. Alarm technicians often interact directly with customers, and it is important to be able to communicate effectively and to address their concerns. Providing excellent customer service can help to build trust and loyalty. In addition to technical knowledge and skills, it is also important to have a strong understanding of business practices. If you are planning to start your own alarm business, you will need to know how to manage finances, market your services, and comply with all applicable laws and regulations. Consider taking business courses or seeking advice from experienced business owners. When working on alarm systems, always follow safety precautions. Alarm systems can involve working with electricity, heights, and other potential hazards. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection, and follow all safety procedures. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success in the alarm portion of the New Jersey Contractor's License exam and in your career as an alarm technician. Staying informed about industry best practices and continuously expanding your knowledge are vital for long-term success in the field. Also, remember to consult the specific editions of the NFPA standards that are referenced by New Jersey regulations, as codes are updated regularly.